I'm breaking the rules once again because I do not care. What's more important to me is filming the lift and getting busted by security. Well, here's another Schindler 5400 MRL at Ipswich Riverlink shopping centre. Interesting, it has the red Vander LOP instead of the usual green. What is more important is filming this lift than getting busted by security, and also the no filming sign. Yeah, I'm breaking that one simple rule because I do not care at all. And as I said, filming this lift is more important than following the no filming rules. Here it is. Very slow closing door. Lift number 5, maximum load 1600 kilos, 23 persons. We'll do a cab for you. Going down?
Yeah.
Which floor? Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
If you listen carefully, it actually beeps just a slight little bit. Just a little bit. And that's